What is going on YouTube? It's Nick with Profit Day Trader here, and today we have another Green Day recap. So again, pretty good day, very similar to yesterday. I'll show you my P&L. So I only traded one stock for today. I traded HUGE. Stock didn't look great, but I took advantage of some kind of stuff I learned throughout the years of how to make money even on bearish stocks. So traded HUGE, made $325.28. I did a test trade on the other stock, but it only lost 3 cents. That wasn't really relevant. But so about a half hour in today, a little bit of pre-market, a little bit live open. That seems to be, I've been doing pretty good with it. So I've been sticking with it for the past week. So yeah, up $325. And let's go over the recap. And I want to show you some tips that, now this isn't, I wouldn't really recommend this if you're a beginner trader, but I want to show you stuff that I learned throughout the years on how to make money even on stock that's going down. So did some pre-market trading. Started out very bad. As you can see, looks very bad. I don't know how much I was down. Maybe like a couple $100. Started really bad. Very similar to yesterday. This is very, very similar to yesterday. And then I traded this leg, and I was pretty good. I think I was about break even at this point. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure I was about break even. I traded way too close to the open, like I usually tell you not to, and I shouldn't have neither. But trading near the open, I felt pretty good because it was really undersold. If you look at this green line, the green shows you that it's oversold, and the red shows you that it's overbought. So it was very, very oversold. I felt pretty good about it. Still shouldn't have held it, but I made a quick buck here, and then I actually made a lot of money on this leg down. Now, this is a little tip. Now again, I wouldn't recommend doing this until you're really comfortable trading stocks. But let me take this off so you can see the trades. I'm sure so it makes it a little more clean. So let's see. Okay, so as you can see here, this snapped up really quickly, and then it snapped all the way down. It went from $3.06 to $2.79. That's a lot. That's about 10% move for a stock like this. So when I see a stock snap really low, I like to get it right away because it went all the way down here in like an instant. So what I did was I bought a bunch of shares right here. I made a 4 or 5 cent move up because I figured odds are it's going to come back down. So I just scalped a quick $160, and then I did that a couple more times, and that's how I wound up with 325. I didn't have many winning trades today, but the ones I had were pretty good. So again, a lot of shares here, 50,000 shares. That's a lot. It's not really recommend it, but you know it's been working for me. I'm not necessarily recommending it. But again, I'm also learning this as well. Like I'm trying to learn to expand. My goal before was to make about $150 a day. I was doing that for months and months and months. And now I'm starting to entering the phase of, let me try to make about $300 a day. It's a little bit harder. I was going to say a lot harder, just because the fundamentals are still the same, but your emotional, the emotional response to the trading is a lot different. When I'm only trying to make $100, I make a bad trade, I lose 30, 40 bucks, no big deal. When I'm trying to make 300, I make a bad trade down 150, 200, starts to get a little more emotional for me. So it's learning for me as well. So I've been doing pretty good. I've been very consistent, so can't complain. So yeah, again, that's it. Pretty short one for this one. Again, if you like this kind of stuff, consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate you watching these videos. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.